Ready to dominate the real estate market from your phone? Let's dive into Monopoly Go, the mobile game where you can build your empire and outwit your friends. First, download the game and get ready for a quick tutorial. You'll link your Facebook account for social features and potential rewards, but you can also play as a guest if you prefer. The core of Monopoly Go is your dice roll. Tap the dice icon to roll and move your token. The number you roll determines how many spaces you advance. Landing on a property is your chance to buy it. If you land on a property owned by another player, you'll have to pay them rent. To acquire a property, simply tap the Own button when you land on an unknown space. Once you own a property, you can purchase buildings like houses and hotels when you land on it again, dramatically increasing the rent you collect. Building up your properties is key to increasing your net worth. Aim to collect entire color sets of properties, as this unlocks the ability to build multiple buildings and earn even more rent. Keep an eye on special spaces too. Landing on chance or community test gives you opportunities for rewards or penalties. The Go space grants you a salary boost. Be strategic, as your dice rolls can be influenced by certain boosts and power-ups you collect. Your goal is to bankrupt your opponents by collecting the most money and assets. Master the dice, strategically upgrade your properties, and watch your virtual empire grow.